Once again, you all are welcome in my channel. First of all, I would like to thanks you all people to support me and support my video to such a large extent, and I have received a very good views in my earlier videos. One of my subscriber asked me one very important question regarding the PhD, that sir, what should we have to give more time to writing a thesis or to writing a research paper. So I thought I should have to give the answer. So I made this video particularly to answer this question, and this is a very important question, and this is a very big problem in front of every researcher nowadays, those who are pursuing PhD. That is whether they have to give the priority when they have to start to write thesis. So the answer to this question is very clear. See, in thesis there are certain chapters. If you talk about the thesis, there are certain chapters starting from the introduction, then methodology, then your conclusion, research, everything. So what I suggest you, at least for when you start your research, you started with the review paper first, in which you give the most of the background or the literature survey. So that after writing that paper or publish that paper will act as an literature review in your thesis. So basically the whole concept is you have to publish at least 4 to 5 papers related to the chapters, and then that research papers will become the chapters of your own thesis. Now the question arises whether it comes in the plagiarism, because it is already published. So when we cited when we put that paper as an while writing our thesis, yes, if you give a proper acknowledgement, since this is your own work, so you have to give the reference at the end that this is your own paper, which is that is what we call in other words, that is what we call the self citation. So self citation is, if you don't do that, then it also comes under plagiarism. But if you properly cited it at the reference, then it is counted. Or you may take the data or whatsoever the written material that is published in the research article, you can take it as a chapter in your thesis. So I believe I am able to answer your question. If you get it, you just like this video, I understand that I'll able to answer your question, your query. And one most important tip that I want to give to you here is, don't in a hurry, don't publish your paper in a bogus journal. Always wait to publish your paper in a good quality journal, because once you publish in the good quality journal, the question from the external to you is also get reduced, because in a good quality journal like Scopus, SCI or IEEE journals, they already grilled you too much before publishing your paper in their own journal. They grilled you too much that there is no question left behind, and mind it, any unanswered question in your mind will give you a pain. So you must have all the unanswered question in your mind, so that you are able to answer it in the front of the external examiner. I think this tip will help you for your final thesis and as well as your final viva. So if you have any query, you may ask me anytime through this through the comment box, or to my email ID that is given in the bottom of this description of the video. So hope you like this video. If you like this, kindly share and subscribe my channel. We will come back soon with a new and innovative video in a new innovative style. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.